Every year the SWOOD Days is like a reunion, not only work-wise, but it is beyond work as well. You can connect with your team on interpersonal level, and that kind of increases the employee relations. The sessions were divided in technical sessions and sales/commercial sessions. So you had the option of sitting in any one of those.
Every presentation is really interesting and really good for me, and I can improve my skills, improve my knowledge about SWOOD, about sales, about presentations, about making good content for marketing. Also the feeling that I know the people that are creating this software that I am using every day. That's like I feel a part of this.
The networking session enabled all the resellers to collaborate with each other, come up with solutions, and also gave us as SWOOD company an idea of what are the problem areas and where should we focus for the upcoming version of SWOOD. And after the sessions, very fun night was planned every day. So first night was on a cruise, which was really amazing. And the second night was planned for like a dinner on the beach.
Everyone is so funny, everyone wants to talk, everyone is so helpful. And also it's great to know the people that I am writing in emails, and cool conversation, a lot of laugh, jokes, a lot of smiled people. Now I feel like in a huge family. Do it next year. Na SWOOD Daysach było zajebiście. Polecam.